Hello everyone, my name is Cherry and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of this Aeropress coffee and espresso maker. So if you want to know what's inside this box, then please keep on watching. And also I chose the option that has a tote bag and filter papers, and that's why I paid a total of 2,450 pesos, because in the shop there's an option wherein you there's no filter paper and a tote bag, and it costs 2,000 or 2,100. So why not just opt for the one that has filter paper, since you're gonna be needing that one. I'm just using my eyebrow scissor because I don't have any scissor inside the room. So on top it has the instruction. So let's see. Ooh. The first thing that we got here is the scoop and the stir. So check. The scoop is quite big. And oh my god, the funnel, and the manual, which I'll be reading later. I'm just excited. Way too excited. Okay. The tote bag. So it says Aeropress coffee maker. So I believe that this Aeropress is from the brand Aerobee. So for those of you who know if it's really from Aerobee or not, so just correct me if I'm wrong. And the Aeropress itself. Oh god, how to get this one? So this one and that. So good. That one. And of course, last but not least, the what is this? It's just part of the Aeropress. So like that. And the filter papers and the filter paper holder. So these are all the things that's inside this box. So Aeropress check, funnel check, scoop and stir check, filter holder check, and microfilters check, as well as the tote bag. So hello guys, good morning. So today I'm gonna be trying for the very first time my Aeropress coffee maker. So let's not prolong this intro already, and let's get into the video. So here's my quick setup. So my Aeropress coffee maker, a wide mouth glass, coffee maker, and of course the coffee grounds from Davao Coffee Arca Excelsa. And also I already wet my filter paper in this like thingy and the hot water. So let's get started.